Brad, good morning. Stephen Rice here. Hey, so once you log into your WordPress, you'll come to your dashboard, and just want to kind of give you a quick update of how to do this. It's pretty simple, I think. You'll scroll over here to Jobs. Once you click on Jobs, you'll notice all the positions here. So for instance, let's equipment operator, paving. Click on that, or you click Edit, either one, and you'll see the posting right here. So essentially, here's the title and here's the text, and it's pretty simple. So I'll give you one that's, maybe I'll show you one that's a little more, I thought that one might be longer. So here's shop equipment mechanic. So essentially, you just come in here, if you just want to type whatever, delete whatever. This is really it. It's all in one text box. I do have a location box. These aren't, I don't have these pulling in. If you want to use them, or if you want me to add more fields, we can, but honestly, I just put everything in this one text box. Required skills, if you wanted to bold something, link it to somewhere else, whatever. It's essentially just like Microsoft Word. It's just a little text box for you. So all you do is just go to Jobs. I'm going to leave this page. I'm not going to save it. But once you're done, you can click on Update over there. So just type in, just click on a job, edit it, go to Update when you're done, and that'll fix it up. So if you want to add a new job, just click on Add New Jobs and do your title. You can copy and paste or do whatever you want to there. Click on Publish, and you're good.